Hello traders, today is the 4th of August 2013 and the time in London is 39 minutes past 1 p.m. In New York that's 8:39 a.m. The title of this video is the first 2 weeks TSTW 24. The first 2 weeks TSTW 24 trading system. So you purchase the TSTW 24. What do you need to do? Okay, how do you need to behave in the first 2 weeks? Because when a trader purchases the TSTW 24, we are watching the trader. Okay, we are ready for that trader. We are watching that trader. We want that trader to get back to us. All right, and we are watching the trader. Now, by the way, the TSTW 24 trading system is not a robot, it's not a software. You don't need to download the software. It's a written trading system that one will learn and put into use to make excellent decisions. All professional traders have a trading system. One of the reasons why some traders are going round is that they're changing system after system. So today they use RSI 14, tomorrow they use RSI 20, tomorrow the next day they use RSI 30, another day they use MACD, another day they mix MACD and stochastic, and they are going round, changing all system. They are having a lot of sleepless nights, going here, looking for this system, this strategy, this one. And at the end of the day, they get lost. Why they get lost? They get lost because the price is doing only three things. Either it's in a rising channel, displaying higher lows, higher high, or it's in a declining channel, displaying lower lows and lower high, or it is in a horizontal channel. And they miss that stable data completely, and they go around doing their own thing. The next thing that they have missed is that the higher time frame command the lower time frames. No one should place a trade just on because you see a setup on this 4-hour chart. This is Microsoft, and you see a double, you just place a trade, boom, to sell. That's the old-fashioned way of trading. The market is becoming very smart, and the traders must be aware of it, okay? So you want to use the 5% money management rules. We talk about it on our website. Okay, this is crucial, okay, because it's always about risk control. So during the first 2 weeks, we want a new TSTW 24 trader, whether he or she is experienced or new trader or beginner. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Just send it. Don't be emotional about the question. Just put in there, George, I was trading and this happened, but I thought this did this. The rules say this, and this has happened. Send it in the chat. If you don't want to send in the chat, at least ask the question, okay? I'm not forcing the traders to behave like one person. So just explain it to us as we did. There was a gentleman recently purchased TSTW 24 in South Africa. We like his style. He asked direct question. That's what we want. Ask direct question, challenging question, direct question. Be patient. You'll ask a question, we will reply to you. Do not contact, this is very important also, I need to mention to traders. Do not come to our website and click on contact when you are already a TSTW 24 trader. Let me say this again. If you are already a TSTW 24 trader and you want to contact us, do not come to our website and click on contact. Contact me directly on my Gmail, because this is what we are checking all the time. Every email that comes to our Gmail account, we are paying attention to it, especially if you are a TST trader. Yes, other traders can contact us from our website, but we prefer that TSTW traders contact us directly via the Gmail. So if you have been doing that, okay, please change, please, okay? You know my Gmail account, all right? And you can contact me on that directly, and we will get back to you. Sometimes a lot of traders may ask questions altogether, so we may say to you, okay, or sometimes we will reply to you straight away and say to you, okay, we will do a personal video for you, which is unlisted YouTube video. We'll send it to you answering your question directly. The worst thing a trader may do is that when you ask a question and we send you the email and you don't bother to watch it. The next time you ask a question, we will not bother to reply you straight away. We'll also keep quiet because you have wasted our time, which is unfair. Because you ask a question, we prepare a video for you, we send it to you, you should watch it. Because if you are truly asking the question, you want to understand yes or no. Yes. So when the reply comes and you don't watch it, okay, we will. If next time you ask a question, we will prefer to answer other traders before you. So you are going back into the queue. It's a bad start, bad communication. Okay, bad communication. So just something traders should be aware of. Okay, so contact us directly on our Gmail account. Okay, so some traders will go through the first 2 weeks, as we have said. Okay, familiarize yourself with the system. So how do you do that? Okay, you open a chart like this, and then you have the document on TSTW 24, all right, and you try to trade it. Okay, you try to trade it. So you are trading it. Don't trade on a chart that is historic chart. Trade on a live chart that is moving. You want a real price moving when market is open. That's what you want to do. All right, that's how you test it. So you see it, and if something did not get right for you, you get back to us. George, this was a double grain. But why this time did not work? Sometimes it's just because where the signal was taking place was the wrong place. All right? There is a better support. Maybe you take a buy signal, but there is a better support a little bit below. Smart money will prefer the better support level. So you miss that. So we may just point something to you, simple. Or you were busy buying in a declining channel. Although, or sometimes, maybe you see on the hourly chart like this, a double top, and you think that you should sell. Okay. But on a higher time frame, the price is in a rising channel, in fact, retesting a hotspot level. So you see now, this is about validating the setup. So we may just say something to you. And we see sometimes some traders will ask questions like this, and they click. Recently, there was another trader again asked a question about a specific question which I like, and again, we just point to this trader that, look, professional are trading around key level. Concentrate your trade around key levels. And he click, you see? So this is the type of traders we want, okay? And during the first week, ask questions, okay, please. One thing I will say to traders, we will never change. In fact, I don't like to use the word never, all right? But I don't think we will ever change the TSTW 24 the way we write it because it's based on market principle. Simple. Now, sometimes traders get into trouble because they don't check the economy news. Check the fundamental. Check Google Finance. Check Yahoo Finance. Check Forex Factory. You want to buy and hold for a long time? Do your verification. Okay, check the market environment, check the market sentiment. My apologies to traders, very important. All right, so these are few things in the first 2 weeks. We want you to play with it and keep asking questions. We are waiting for you to get back to us. If you go quiet in the first week, it's not a good sign. Sometimes, some traders go quiet even a month or two, and suddenly they get back to us, they say, blah, 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 George, look, this, and they start asking questions. All right. Sometimes it's the opposite. A trader may buy the TSTW 24. Maybe the first or two trades were successful. So 3 or 4 trades. He got a great weeks. First, everything went perfectly. Boom, 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 boom. The trader was making money. So trader will contact us and say, George, your system is exciting, powerful. And then we think, great, this trader probably, he understood what we were talking about. But few weeks later, you may notice, you may find out that probably the trader was just lucky. Now, the first week of each month is very volatile, and when we see a trader purchasing the TST trading in the trading system in the first week of any month, we are watching that trader carefully because you don't. In fact, it will be nicer for them not to buy that time because, especially if they are new trader, because it's a difficult week for trading. First week of the month, remember that, tricky for a lot of traders, and also Fridays, the last day, the first day, Monday. Some traders have a lot of problem to trade on Monday. It's a tricky day because the first day of the month, the market is adjusting itself for the new week, and also the last day of the week, Friday. Same thing. First week of the month, last week of the month. Traders have difficulties. Okay, first month of the year, last month of the year. Remember that. So this is just for experience. Okay, the experience that trader must gain, and they get into trouble. So the first 2 weeks, ask question. Okay, but please go to www.best-trading-strategy.com. Do not ask questions that are already okay on the website, because we have discussed a lot of things. So you take a double green, okay, didn't work, go to the website, click on that page, double green. All right, you'll see videos there, and sometime, okay, you may find the answer to your question straight away. Or you ask a question about single green or single red or any other signal, it's already there at www.best-trading-strategy.com. And you go there, you click on it, and you just go through it. Or sometimes some traders, they are playing only on mobile or other things, or they prefer us to talk to them directly. Okay. All right. So the first 2 weeks, okay, very important. Before I close this video, I want to bring traders to stochasticmarket.com. During the first 2 weeks, you have to understand something very important. You are about to start a new thing. You are using a new system. I build it, and I make myself available to you so that you may talk to me. So together, I may share with you my experience with the system. That's the deal. If you purchase the system and you don't bother to go to www.best-trading-strategy.com, you have lost already 50%. If you don't bother to contact us, you are also losing, okay? Because it's part of the deal also. And you want to do not limit yourself on the document of the TSTW 24. Follow us, okay? On YouTube, we talk to traders via YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all these things, okay? So know what we are doing. Do not believe that in one day you will start trading like, okay, the best traders out there. After all this year struggling, it's not going to be fixed in one day. Give it a time, okay, please. So let's work together so you may start making decisions. One thing that is very important. The market environment, that's the first thing that traders must always watch. Sometimes you may see a valid setup, a valid signal, and you want to enter the trade. But if the market environment is not suitable, you may decide not to trade. One example, for instance, next week is the first week of the month, yes or no, okay? There will be a lot of high impact news. Sometimes what we are doing, instead of swing trade or opening a lot of trade, we may just take one trade at a time. So one trade at a time, successful, you close it. One trade at a time, coming in gently. But a lot of ordinary traders or average traders will not pay attention to that. They will try to be courageous. So they have a lot of trade open. They don't know that this is the first week of the month. They don't pay attention to the clock. And they're doing their own thing. And they get slaughtered, so to speak. Really slaughtered. They expose more than 5% of their trading account, and they just give everything away. I don't think that is very nice, okay, to lose. Before I close this video, I'll tell traders here, there's a page here, Hot Spot Trading. If you are TSTW 24 trader, this page is very useful to you. Hot Spot Trading. This is about knowing where to look for signals. Okay, so you don't take the signal in the void, and you get into trouble very fast. Okay, Hot Spot Trading. This page here, TSTW 24 traders. Okay, in your own time, you don't have to, but it's useful. If you are struggling with it, check Hot Spot Trading Zone. The next page that I want traders to pay attention to, there's another one here, is the Bollinger Band 52. I explained to traders why the TSTW 24 traders do not use the RSI indicator. So this page here, Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. All right. There is another page that I want traders that are TSTW 24 traders or who traders that want to become a TSTW trader to check again here trading zones. Where is it? I'm looking for it now. Okay, we'll get there soon. Oh yes, it's here. It's here. Can you see here on your chart? Here, market trading zones. It's a very important page for traders to TSTW traders to check this page. Trading zone, bullish zone, bearish zone. How do we handle it? Okay. All right. So hotspot trading zone. This page. Market trading zones. Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. The third one here, you see here. This is it. Trading edge. These are very, very important web page for TST traders. The next one is here, convergent signals. Powerful. All right. In fact, all the pages here are useful for TST traders, but pay attention to trading edge, market trading zones, especially if you are a new trader, even experienced traders, to know where and when to take the signal. Convergent signals, okay, hotspot trading zones, Bollinger Band 52. So during the first week of the first week after you have purchased the TSTW 24, you are asking questions. You are going to the website, okay. But these pages at stochasticmarket.com are very important. Trading edge, hotspot trading, market trading zone, convergence signals. Okay. So this is the end of this video, and I hope you are learning something from it. Okay, and we put into use, okay, to make excellent decisions. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.